Hey guys, so today we're going to be transforming this dress that I bought into something else because I am like that. I don't know, I like to cut things up and make them into something else. So that's what we're going to be doing with this. I don't know, there I am showing you what it is. It's a shirt dress with some books on it. I don't know, I like it. It makes me feel like I belong in the library in the children's section. I don't know, does that sound creepy? I don't know, what am I doing? Okay, um, let's get on with the video, I guess. So, first things first, lay it out on a table or something, or that's what I'm doing. Now I'm marking where I want to cut it in half. Then I cut notches on each side. Okay, so now we're going to fold it in half and just cut straight across. Yep. Alright, now we've got, now we have two separate pieces. Right here, I'm going to be using a pair of my own shorts as a pattern for some shorts. I'm taking the bottom half of the dress and I'm turning it into some shorts. I've actually never made shorts before, so this is a first time. I'm not really sure how to do it, but yeah. Oh, okay. So I'm just gonna cut this thing in half because I want to know exactly how much fabric I have for each side of the shorts. So what I did is I folded the shorts in half, front sides together, traced that part, and then over here I'm tracing the back part. Alright, now I'm just gonna cut out what I just traced. If you want to know how to make shorts, go to a different video because, I mean, I'm as clueless as you are, honestly. But we'll make it work. Don't worry about it. Alright, so that's half. Okay, I'm already sewing, but what I did was I traced. Oh, everything's going wrong. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I traced this half of the shorts onto the other half of the fabric, so I had like two halves, and here I'm just sewing them all together, sewing them up. I sewed the front curves together and the back curves, and now I'm sewing the middle part. And then here, I'm making the waistband for the shorts. Yes. And then now I'm pinning the waistband to the shorts themselves. Now, since I'm going to be sewing elastic onto something that's not elastic, you have to stretch the elastic while you sew. Oh, and now we're already moving on to the next thing. Here I am ripping off the sleeves off of the top part. Wow, look at that zoom in action. Yes. I'm just taking my thread ripper and I'm ripping the threads between the sleeves. Oh, and they're off. Okay. I suck at voiceovers. Okay, so I folded the shirt in half and I traced, oh, or not. Okay, I'm folding it in half right now and I'm tracing this armhole onto the other side because I want to make this shirt smaller and I need the exact measurement of the armhole so I can put the sleeves back in later. And I hate voiceovers. Okay, yep. Right here I'm just marking where I want to cut. And now we're cutting it. Yes. Alright, and it's off. There we go. There's our new, that side. And now, I folded the shirt in half so I can trace the new armhole onto the other side. And now we're cutting it. now I'm just going to sew the sides together and also sew the sleeves back on. Of course I'm hemming everything. Oh, and you might be like, what the heck is happening? Okay, so right now I'm actually going to be making a sleeping mask, you know, that thing that you put on top of your eyes while you're sleeping. I don't really know what it's called, but here, this, okay, everything's going too fast. I feel so overwhelmed, but right here we have some interface, and I put my pieces of cloth on top of the interface, and the interface is a stabilizer so that the fabric is more stable than it is to begin with, and then I'm just tracing the pattern that I made onto the fabric, the newly stabilized fabric, and now I'm cutting it out. Oh, okay. Yep, I just pinned both of the pieces together, right sides together, as you can see here, right sides together, because we're going to be flipping it inside out later, so we're gonna have to sew it on backwards. And now I'm cutting some notches so that I can easily flip it inside out, because you see here these curved edges aren't going to flip out easily, so yeah, you have to do this. Yum yum yum. I am tired. Okay, so now I flipped it inside out. Yay! Wow, look at me. Haha. Alright, so I have some strips of fabric from the excess thing, and now we're going to be stuffing these strips of fabric inside of the sleeping mask so that, I don't know. It makes sense, alright? You understand. You understand. It's like putting cash in a wallet. Oh, and I've pinned the sleeping mask closed. And right here, I'm just sewing the top so that it's all together. There we go. Voila. And right here, I'm doing some motions with my hands because we're going to be doing a quilted looking thing. You'll see what I mean. It's like these diamond seams. It's so that the whatever's inside doesn't move around. Right here we've got our first two parallel lines, and then now we have all of it, and then now we have the diagonal crisscrossy parts, and as you can see they're diamonds. Yay. And I also sewed around the perimeter. Alright, and now we're going to be sewing the elastic that goes around your head onto the face mask thingy. You see, I actually forgot to leave space for the elastic, so that's why they're going on the outside of the mask. If I thought about this ahead of time, I would have sandwiched it in between the two layers, but you know, whatever. Oh, and I just made a mistake. Look at me. Wow. Quickly moving because I don't like mistakes. Yep, back to sewing. Just sewing it on top of the thing. There we go. We finished it. Of course, you have to try it on, because that's fun. Wow. Okay. So here's the final look. They're pajamas now. Wow. It's like, I don't know, it's cute, right? I don't know, I think it's cute. Yep. Some shorts and a top. Alright, and here I'm going to be demonstrating sleeping? I don't know what I'm doing. What the heck? Okay, so I'm putting the mask on. Mask on. Fucking mask off. Okay. And as you can see, now we're sleeping. This is not creepy at all. Man, this voiceover thing is making me tired, but look at that. A sleeping Danica. I would pay to watch myself sleep. Is that creepy? Like, I'd watch myself. What? I should do that. I should film myself sleeping one day. And here I'm showing you the thing again because you want to see it again, right? Yep. That's how it looks like when it's on. And those are the side views, I guess. Wow. Wow. And then, oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys that there are pockets in the shorts because the dress had pockets to begin with and I salvaged the pockets so that my shorts had pockets. Okay, so first time making shorts, a little too tight, I would say, like around the curves going down the middle. I should have made them longer, but you know what? It works. It works. It's not like terrible. Oh, and I changed my outfit. I wasn't even done talking about the last one, whatever. But that sleeping mask, also my first time doing anything like that. I'm glad it turned out the way it did. Like those diamond seams, or I don't even know what they're called, but like that's the first time I've ever done that. I don't know, it turned out well, didn't it? Yeah, now I'm showing you guys that this top can actually be used for like not just pajamas, because it actually looks good enough to be worn with other things like these shorts and these socks. I don't know, I think it's cute. And then I sewed like one pleat down the middle because oh, now I'm checking what's outside. Oh, okay. Oh, look at me reading. Wow, so aesthetic. That book is actually called The Dictionary of Fashion. Oh, okay. Outfit change again. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, that book that I picked up, it's called The Little Dictionary of Fashion by Christian Dior. It's a pretty good book. Yeah, as you can see here, it can also be paired with a skirt. Wow, I like it. I really like this top. I'm really digging it. I'm gonna be wearing it often. The shorts, I don't know, like to sleep, I guess, but honestly, like, I don't know. I think I did well, which is grenine. Oh, here I am with some high-waisted pants on. How many times have I zipped up my pants on camera? Like, I feel like I've done that like at least 3 times by now. So yeah, here's how it looks with some high-waisted pants. Someone buy me new pants, please. I'm stuck with black jeans forever. If you liked this video, please like it, and if you want to say something, go ahead and comment. Also, please subscribe to me if you want to. I feel really weird because I haven't made a video in a very long time. I'm so sorry. I don't know what's been going on, but yeah. I hope you're having a nice whatever you're having. Thank you so much for watching again. I love you. Oh my goodness. Goodbye.